Welcome back. Regionalism in International Relations Affairs. Lecture outlines Introduction, Regional Cooperation and Regional Integration, Regional Cooperation in a Global Context, the process of European integration, and of course, conclusion. First of all, introduction. Regionalism in international affairs refers to the process by which regions become significant actors in the global political and economic landscape. This can involve economic integration, political cooperation, and cultural exchange among countries within a specific geographic area. Regional cooperation and regional integration. First of all, regional cooperation. This involves countries within a region working together on a common issue such as trade, security, and environmental protection. Examples include Association of Southeast Asian Nations and SAARC, which is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. And second one, regional integration. This is a deeper form of cooperation where countries within a region integrate their economies and policies. The European Union is a prime example with its single market and common policies. Now, regional cooperation in a global context. First of all, economic impact. Regional cooperation can enhance economic stability and growth by creating larger markets and reducing trade barriers. Political influence. Regions can collectively exert more influence on global affairs, such as in negotiation with the United Nations or World Trade Organization. Challenges. Balancing regional interests with global commitments can be complex, and there can be tension between regionalism and nationalism. The process of European integration. Historical background. Post World War II, efforts to ensure peace and economic stability lead to the creation of European coal and steel community, which evolved into the European Union. Key milestone: the Treaty of Rome 1957, the Maastricht Treaty 1992, and the Lisbon Treaty 2009 are significant steps in the European Union's development. Current structure. The European Union has single market, a customs union, and policies on various issues such as agriculture, fisheries, and regional development. Now, conclusion. Regionalism plays a crucial role in shaping international relations by fostering cooperation and integration among countries. While it offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges that require careful management to ensure that regional and global interests are balanced. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.